Right, now that you've gone through all the primary, secondary and ternary colours on the colour wheel, it'll be easier to understand the other colour theory concepts and how they impact design. First, in the rules, dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, adjust the volumes in RGB, red, green and blue function so that the background colour of each element is set to pure black. Remember, the RGB function uses the additive colour model where colour starts as black and changes as the value of red, green and blue increases. So I think this is how you do this. 0, 0, 0, 0, and they should all be black. 0, 0, 0, 0. Hey! Yabba dabba do. Moving on. A colour wheel is a circle where similar colours of hues are near each other and different ones are further apart. For example, pure red is between the hues rose and orange. Two colours that are opposite from each other in the colour wheel are called complementary colours. If the two complementary colours are combined, they produce grey. But when they are placed side by side, these colours produce strong visual contrast and appear brighter. In the RGB function for dot 1 CSS rule, set the red value to the max of 255. So red, green and blue. So red's the first one. So 255. Set the value for green. Now green and blue to 255. So red, green's there. And blue is the last one. Ah, right. So it's 255 and 255. So that'll be 255, 255 and 255 then. I think. Hey, yabba dabba do. Right, so notice that the red and cyan colours are very bright right next to each other. This contrast can be distracting if it's overused on a website and can make the text hard to read if it's placed in complementary colours. Background. It's best practice to choose one colour as a dominant colour and use its complementary colour as an accent to bring attention to certain content on the page. First, in the H1 rule, use the RGB function to set its background colour to cyan. Right, so background colour, mind the colour spelling, colon, colon, cyan, semicolon. It's the same thing, but let's go with it. So red, green and blue, bracket 250, 0. 0 for red, green 255 and blue 255. So you've got A for red, green for green and B for blue. Oh, still no. Oh, new one. Background colour. Make sure you don't spell background like that. It's me, I've spelled it wrong. Yay, yabba dabba do. Right, next in the dot 1 rule, use the RGB function to set the background colour to black and the 1 and 2 to set the background colour to red. So, in the dot 1 rule, use the RGB function to set the background colour to black. And the colour dot 2 and dot to red. So,